Hi everybody, we're here today and we're going to show you what happens when you sneeze. Achoo! Oh, look at what, achoo! 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 See what happens? The sneeze comes out of his nose and it travels all the way down and hits Meow Meow Kitty. See the red line here? The red line is exactly 6 feet. So when we talk about covering your mouth or sneezing into your elbow or using a tissue, achoo, achoo, that's the reason why. Okay, see you later. Bye.